Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can connect your TikTok account to your Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step. First, you want to come to your TikTok profile by clicking on profile at the bottom right. Once you're in your TikTok profile at the top, you want to click on where it says edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, it's going to show you your username. Now what you can do is just copy your username, whatever username you have. Now once you copy your username, you can close your TikTok. And after closing your TikTok, open your Facebook. And from your Facebook, at the bottom right corner, you can see the three dot, which is known as the menu icon. Click on it. From over here, you need to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your Facebook profile. Now from inside your Facebook profile, you can click on the three dot over here and click on where it says edit, which is going to be at the top. And from the edit section, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option called links. Right beside links, there's the edit button. Click on it. From over here, you want to click on where it says add social link. Once you click on add social link, you can click on where it says platform and choose which platform you want to link. We want to link TikTok, so we will click TikTok. Once you do that, the username which you just copied from your TikTok, paste it over here. And at the top right, you can see the button called save. Click on save and it's going to be done. So as you guys can see, we are over here and our editing has been done. And that is basically how we guys can connect your TikTok to Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.